the music me. I'm microwaving the microphone. Oh shit, I think the microwaves are actually interfering with the wireless stuff. Okay. I stepped away from the microphone. From the microwave. I'm being microwaved. I think it's fine to leave it. Yeah, silicone's probably microwavable safe. Yeah, I'm probably not going to catch on fire. I put water in there. That automatically means that it won't be that it won't catch on fire, right? Yeah, it's probably fine. I'm going to add another minute to the microwave. Just going based off of gut. Here. I said 2 minutes. I think it's fine. It's probably fine. Alright, I'll fix my head really quick. I know. The mic should be better now. We're gonna switch to a higher quality mic in a moment. After I finish preparing the yams. Okay, let me fix my head. Give me a second.